In this video, I will show how to build an anti-tank pillbox using only cardboard and paper. I start with gathering the pieces of cardboard needed, then drawing out a template as a preview of the pillbox before building. Then I have all the parts measured to scale and cut out. I start with the front of the pillbox and cutting out the firing port window. Then assemble the front wall and steps. Followed by the other three walls and the roof. Once built, I then again check if the scale is correct using one of my models. As a masking tape substitute, I start gluing pieces of paper to the surface of the pillbox. Once covered, I then add on the layers of earth around the pillbox, then do the same process of covering it with paper. I then used carton to make the doors of the pillbox. After building is complete, I then used grounded cat sand as ground texture by sprinkling it over the glue-covered surfaces. Once the glue dries, I then move on to painting. I start with the white primer, then base coated the pillbox with neutral gray. For the pillbox doors, I used a mixture of natural steel and German camo dark green. And for the ground, I base coated it using medium brown. Then I highlight the ground texture by dry brushing on beige. I then add on model grass by sprinkling it over the glue covered surfaces. While waiting for the glue to dry, I started to build furniture using carding, along with some field kits made from paper, an MG42 from paper card, and helmets casted from super glue. Then after painting the table, I added some playing cards scattered on it using paper. Once the accessories are painted, I then glue them down to the base. And for the final touches, I used mesh cloth fabric as camo nets, which I painted using olive green and medium brown. I then pinned them to the surface of the pillbox using super glue. That's also all for this tutorial. I hope you all like this one.